Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Seal, the high level queen. And today I have a very exciting announcement because PayPal payments are now live, which means that you can set up PayPal products and subscriptions inside of high level and use PayPal as the payment method. I'm going to teach you guys how to set this up in just 5 easy steps. So let's get started. So for those of you guys who don't know, we actually have a free Facebook group called Marketing Agency Automation Secrets, where we give away hundreds of dollars in free trainings every single week to our members. So click the link below to go check that out. All right, so step one, what you want to do first is connect your new integrations in the Payments tab. So if you go to Settings and you go to Payments, you'll notice that you actually have to connect to Stripe first. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And I think the team is actually working on a solution to this, but for now you have to connect to Stripe. So go ahead and log into Stripe. Okay, so I just logged into Stripe and now it says Stripe Live mode enabled and test mode is enabled, which is awesome. Okay, now step two, what you're going to want to do is enter your PayPal client ID and your secret ID. This is a little tricky, but I'm going to walk you through it. So go ahead and log into PayPal, okay? I'm just going to show you the live version and then I'll check with the high level team on Sandbox. So what we're going to do after we add this integration is we're going to add a product. So you're going to click on Products, Add Product. This is step 3. And then you can add the description. You can either do physical goods, digital goods, a service. And then you can choose your category here. And then put your product page URL. Test product. So here we go. So now you can either do a one-time or recurring. So if you do recurring, you can do daily, weekly, monthly, or year, or you could do one time. And then look at this. You can even add a membership offer and your clients can pay via PayPal for membership. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this like that and click Create Product. And you can see here my test product. So now what I'll be able to do with this is actually go into my funnel and make a funnel for this. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a funnel real quick. With a 2-step order form. And then I'm going to hide shipping here, save it. Why isn't that working? Okay. Then I'm going to go back and check my products. Here. And there is my test product. From PayPal. And then here you select the bump. Cool, look at that. I'm so excited. Okay, now if I go back into my order form, you can enable an order bump here if you want. I'm going to go ahead and preview. And step 5 is tests. So we're going to go ahead and test this. Oh my gosh, check that out. So now I can buy it on PayPal, or I can pay with a card. So if you want to take this all the way through, you can make sure it works. And it's not going to let me test it because I'm logged in as me. Okay. But that's how you set up PayPal on HighLevel in just 5 easy steps. So I hope this helps you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from me, and I'll see you next time.